Someone just tried to warn Caesar, and he's not even reading it. So I couldn't sleep, just lying there, scrolling YouTube like usual. And I don't know, this random idea just hit me. What if I actually traveled somewhere? Not book a flight traveling, something crazier. I don't even know why I'm doing this, but I'm doing it. Okay, this forest is way creepier at night than I thought. And then, okay, there's a capsule, half buried in the ground. This is not a normal thing to find in the woods. There's a screen on it, and I can set a date. So I stood there thinking, where would I actually want to be? Always I wanted to see Rome, 44 BC. And then I wake up face down in the dirt. Togas, actual togas, people yelling in Latin. Guys, I think this actually worked. No money, no ID. Nobody in this entire city knows who I am. But I had one thing nobody else here had. I knew exactly what was coming. First few weeks were rough. I ate whatever I could get near, slept wherever nobody chased me off. And I learned the language by standing near angry people. That's it. That's the whole method.
Hic saccus plenus est, non est, fraudas me. Pondere probatur, pondere. Audi wheel.
I hauled wine jars for a merchant so I could eat. 2 of those a day and he'd feed me. Honestly, best deal I had. Everything in this city arrives by river. Grain from Egypt, wine from Greece, marble, slaves, animals for the games. It never stops moving. But I picked it up fast. Nobody here cares where you're from. It's who you know, so I used what I knew. Not to change anything, just to get by.
Audio te. Audio te.
6 years. 6 years to get this thing on my shoulders.
Discedite cives! Locum date!
And then I saw him, the guy from every history book, actually him. Then something shifts. Caesar gets named dictator for life. Not for a year, not for 10, for life. And a republic that spent 400 years making sure no one man could do that, just let it happen. And the whole Senate goes quiet, not calm quiet, scared quiet. Conversations stop when I walk up. I catch Cassius and Brutus looking at each other, and it's not nothing. I know it's not nothing. I passed Brutus a few days before. Caesar treated that guy like a son. He wouldn't even look at me. He looked broken. The whole city's whispering that Caesar's wife had some nightmare and begged him to stay home. I can't sleep either. I know what day tomorrow is. March 15th. The Senate wasn't meeting in the Forum that day. The Curia had burned down years before. So they were meeting here, in a hall attached to Pompey's theater, Caesar's oldest rival, his statue standing right there in the room. And I still had to walk in there, scared of a day I already knew the ending to. So I walk in right behind him. I sit off to the side, front row seat to the most famous murder in history.
Salve Caesar. Salve Brut. Have amice.
And there's this guy, Artemidorus, a Greek teacher. He'd found out about the plot. He pushes through the crowd and shoves a scroll at Caesar. Read this. It's about you. Only you. And Caesar just takes it, puts it with the rest, doesn't open it. He sits down. They crowd around him with some petition. Nobody else in that room knows.
I request a hearing for this petition. The Senate is...
Then, one of them grabs his toga off his shoulders. That's the signal. Casca strikes first. 23 times, 23. Everyone's running, screaming, and I'm just frozen there. They thought they'd saved the Republic. They'd killed it. Within 2 years, civil war. Within 15, an emperor. Everything they were trying to stop, they caused. And then I see it, behind the statue, just sitting there, waiting for me. I open my eyes and I'm back. Same woods, like nothing happened. But I know it did. That was my first trip, and the capsule's still out there somewhere. I'm Julius. This is Julius Will Do It, and next episode is coming.